How to download and install CapCut for PC. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now let's get started. Open any of the browser. Here we go. At the very top you can see this search box. Over there type in CapCut download for PC and search for it. You will be directed to this kind of page. Now click on this very first website link. Just open it. Now from here you can easily log in or sign up to your CapCut account. In order to download it, just scroll. You can find this option of download for Windows. Click on that option. With that, CapCut download process will be started. You have to wait for a few seconds until it is downloaded. Make sure you have stable internet connection so that the download process will be faster. After completion of its download, just click on that file. With that, you will get this kind of pop-up. Now you have to check in for this option and then click on this option of install now. Now it's in the process to be installed to your device. You have to wait for a few seconds. After it is installed, you'll get this option of start now. Click on it, and with that you are good to go. You can use CapCut app in your Windows. So this is how you can easily download and install CapCut for PC. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.